Imagine this. It's Monday morning, you open your email, and immediately you notice a mistake. I very like this project.
Or worse, can you give me advices?
Yeah, happens to everyone. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. But at work, little errors like this can make you seem less professional than you actually are.
Exactly. Today, we'll explore common English mistakes at work. In emails, meetings, phone calls, even casual office conversations.
And the best part? You'll learn how to fix them, naturally and confidently.
And here's something exciting. At the end of the episode, we'll play a special interactive game with all of you. It's designed to be inspiring, motivating, and very practical. You'll practice everything we discussed today in a fun, real-world way.
This isn't just a game for fun. It will help you retain expressions, improve pronunciation, and use the right words in your office conversations.
So grab a notebook, a pen, maybe even your coffee, and let's dive in. We're going to turn those little mistakes into professional English skills you can be proud of.
Welcome to English Level Up Podcast, Episode 31, Daily Mistakes in English at Work.
I'm Lisa, your workplace English coach, ready to help you correct those small but important mistakes.
And I'm Tom, your guide to speaking clear, natural, and professional English.
Let's start with grammar. One of the most common mistakes is much versus many.
Many people say, I have much tasks today.
And the correct way is, I have many tasks today. Remember, much for uncountable nouns like work, information, money, and many for countable nouns like emails, meetings, reports.
Let's do more examples. I don't have much time today. Correct, because time is uncountable. But I don't have many minutes left. Many, because minutes are countable.
Exactly. Another trap is prepositions. People say, I'm good in Excel. The correct one is, I'm good at Excel.
And phrases like interested in, responsible for, rely on, learners often mix them up. Little changes in prepositions can make a huge difference in sounding professional.
Verb tenses are another classic mistake. People say, I am work here since 2019.
Oh yes, correct. I have worked here since 2019. The present perfect shows that the action started in the past and continues today.
Mini challenge. Think of your last email or conversation. Did you mix tenses? Correct it now in your notebook. Little fixes like this build confidence quickly.
Another tricky area is false friends. For instance, some learners avoid assist thinking it's too formal, but it's actually professional. I will assist you with this project is correct.
True, and don't confuse attend and assist. I will attend the meeting means going there, and I will assist you means helping someone.
Let's look at another common grammar error. Subject-verb agreement. For example, the team are happy with the results.
In American English, we usually say the team is happy with the result because team is considered a singular collective noun.
Great tip. Mini challenge. Review your last 3 emails and check for subject-verb agreement errors.
Another mistake is double negatives. People say, I don't need no help. Correct, I don't need any help.
One last thing in grammar. Articles. Learners often skip a and the. Example, I sent report to manager. Correct is, I sent a report to the manager.
Moving to pronunciation. Small errors can really stand out in professional settings.
Absolutely. First classic, sheet versus shit. Imagine saying, here is the project shit disaster.
Always check vowels carefully. Another tricky word, focused. Many learners write focused instead of focused. Modern English uses one S.
Homophones are also dangerous. There. Listen carefully. Example, their meeting is at 2 p.m. versus their meeting is at 2 p.m. Small mistake, big difference.
Another common word mistake, discuss versus discuss about. You never say discuss about, just discuss the problem.
Collocations are key. Make a decision. Take a break. Give advice. Pay attention. Memorizing collocations will make your English much smoother.
Let's try a mini repetition game. I'll say a sentence with a mistake and pause for listeners to correct it aloud. Ready? I will do a decision tomorrow.
Correct answer is, I will make a decision tomorrow.
Next, can you explain me the new procedure?
Correct. Can you explain the new procedure to me?
Fun fact, repeating aloud builds your confidence and helps your brain remember grammar patterns faster.
Another tip, avoid overusing very. Instead of very important, say critical. Instead of very good, say excellent. It makes you sound much more professional.
Mini challenge for the audience. Open your last document or email and replace 3 very words with stronger alternatives. Speak them aloud too.
Emails and meetings are full of traps. First common email mistake. I hope you are fine.
Polite, yes, but professional English prefers, I hope you are doing well, or I hope this email finds you well.
Another mistake, I am writing to ask you advice. Correct is, I am writing to ask for your advice. No article before advice.
Meetings are tricky. People say, let's discuss about this problem. Just, let's discuss this problem.
And learners often say, I'm agree, instead of I agree. Very common, but easy to fix.
Here's another. Can you repeat again? Double. Just say, can you repeat that?
Let's do a small role play. Imagine you're in a meeting. Your colleague says, I think we needs to finish the report today.
How would you correct politely?
You could say, actually, I think we need to finish the report today. Notice how small adjustments make you sound professional without being rude.
Another common mistake. I will discuss about the project later.
Correct. I will discuss the project later.
Now let's mix in some idioms. Someone says, we need to hit the ground running on this project.
That's correct. But you could make it more polite. I think we should hit the ground running on this project.
Mini challenge. Next meeting, pick one idiom or collocation you like and use it naturally.
Another tip. If you're asking politely for help, avoid give me the report. Instead say, could you please send me the report? Or would you mind sending me the report?
And when apologizing, don't overdo it. I'd like to ask for your help with sounds confident, polite, and professional.
Politeness is huge in professional English. For example, learners often write, thanks for your helps.
Correct. Thanks for your help. No S after help.
Cultural differences matter too. In US, UK workplaces, politeness is essential. In other countries, directness is normal. Adapt your English to your work culture.
Mini challenge. Use one polite phrase in your next email or call. For example, would you mind reviewing this document? Or, could you please provide feedback?
Also, small talk mistakes are common. People say, how you are. Correct, how are you?
Another frequent mistake, confusing good and well. Example, I did good in the meeting. Correct, I did well in the meeting.
Mini challenge. Next conversation, pay attention to small talk phrases, verb choice, and polite expressions.
Using idioms and professional expressions will also make your English sound natural and confident. Examples, hit the ground running. Take the lead. Think outside the box.
And now, the grand interactive game. This is your chance to practice, repeat, correct mistakes, and build confidence.
Here's how it works. We'll give you workplace English mistakes. You pause the podcast and correct them aloud.
Example 1. I'm agree with your idea.
Correct. I agree with your idea. Say it aloud.
Example 2. I will discuss about the problem tomorrow.
Correct. I will discuss the problem tomorrow.
Now, let's do a role play challenge. You are in a meeting, your manager says, we needs to finish the reports today.
Correct and say politely, I think we need to finish the reports today. Repeat aloud.
Next level, use an idiom. We need to hit the ground running on this project.
Add a polite twist. I think we should hit the ground running on this project.
Here's the inspirational twist. After correcting, create your own dialogue. Imagine you're asking for help, giving advice, and using 2 idioms. Speak aloud, record yourself if possible.
Mini mission. Do this 3 times this week, each time with different mistakes and phrases. You'll internalize professional English naturally.
The game is about confidence, not perfection. Mistakes mean progress. Correct, repeat, speak aloud. That's how fluent professionals are made.
Let's finish with key words and expressions from today. Collocation, words that naturally go together, like make a decision.
Preposition, words like in, at, on, for.
Polite phrase, professional expressions like would you mind?
False friend, words that look like your language but mean something else.
Overuse, using a word too much.
Verb tense shows past, present, future.
Professional tone, how you speak or write appropriately at work.
Many challenge, small exercises for learning.
Collaboration, working together as a team.
Idiom, a phrase that doesn't mean what the words literally say, e.g., hit the ground running.
Remember, listeners, integrate these words in emails, meetings, and daily communication.
Summary of golden rules. Watch prepositions. Use countable and uncountable nouns correctly. Correct verb tenses. Avoid false friends. Learn common collocations. Polish email phrases. Use polite requests. Replace very with stronger adjectives. Practice mini challenges. Stay confident and consistent.
And remember, the game at the end is your chance to practice and retain everything we discussed.
Listen, repeat, speak aloud, and you'll see real improvement within weeks.
See you tomorrow, and keep leveling up.